Welcome to InJamaica, and if this is your first time here, please subscribe, click the notification bell and stick around to see places in Jamaica. This video is aimed at giving you a general overview, but you can check the video description for added information. Currently, we are driving north on Mannings Avenue towards Kemps Close in the Hills of Boscobel, St. Mary Parish. Turning onto Kemps Close, and if we had continued straight, then the road would take us to Grange Close. Kemps Close ends and we are turning back to Mannings Avenue. We are back at Mannings Avenue. Going right will take you to Grange Close, and going left will take you to Hellshire Avenue as well as to Constitution Drive. Turning onto Hellshire Avenue. Please remember to subscribe to InJamaica. Give us a like and share, and thank you all for watching.